Now you are ready to stand the pole. You may choose to use wooden wedges spaced evenly around the flagpole to hold the plumb inside the tube. If you do, adjust the wedges until the pole is perfectly plumb. Pour clean, dry sand into the space between the flagpole and the tube. Settle the sand by using the heel of your hand or a rubber mallet to plumb or vibrate the pole. Fill the tube with sand until it reaches 1/4 inch below the top of the tube. Make sure the sand is packed in tightly. Periodically check the plumb of the pole as you fill in the sand. At this point, if you've used wood wedges, they should be removed. Cover the sand with water-resistant silicone caulking, making sure to completely seal the sand so that it will stay dry.